What's up, guys, and welcome to the epic battery drain test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra versus the Infinix Hot 60i, alongside the Infinix Hot 40i, and of course, the old but gold Samsung Galaxy S9. We'll be putting these phones through L to find out which phone comes on top and how long can each phone last in terms of battery. It's time to see what the Helio G81 Ultimate brings to the table and how efficient the Snapdragon 888 processor still is after 4 years. So let's begin the test and I'll see you on the other side. So after many hours later, the battle is finally finished. The first phone to die is the Samsung Galaxy S9, coming at 3 hours and 38 minutes. Then we have the Infinix Hot 40i clocking in full 7 hours and 26 minutes. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra at 8 hours 17 minutes, and finally the winner and the last phone standing, the Infinix Hot 60i, coming at 8 hours 21 minutes. I'm not so surprised with the battery of the Galaxy S9, and honestly it deserves respect given the fact that this has the smallest battery capacity and it's almost 8 years old, and I think it's impressive. Do keep in mind that the S9 Plus would have lasted longer given the fact that it has a bigger battery than the S9. Also, I'm really surprised that the S21 Ultra did keep up with the Infinix Hot 60i, even though the Infinix has a bigger 5160 mAh battery. Although it doesn't have a powerful processor like the Ultra, which means I expect the Infinix to last longer, like 12 hours. But I'm surprised that it just passed the Ultra with only 4 minutes, which is impressive for the Ultra. Although I think the video recording part was where the Ultra lost the battery enough for the Infinix to surpass it. There we have it. The Infinix Hot 60i has won it. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Please do subscribe if you are new here for future videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.